Good morning, you guys. Welcome back for another video. Today we're going to be doing a day in the life. We have a busy day ahead of us, so you guys are going to come along with us. Today is Thursday when I'm filming this, and we usually take, we do our school for homeschool 4 days a week. So today is going to be like that extra bonus day because I have a ton of stuff to get done. We're going to the park with friends because the weather is sunny and nice outside and we really need to get outside. I need to finish packing because me and her right here, we have a soccer tournament this weekend in Arizona and we are flying, so I need to pack. So everybody is just having some breakfast right now, and then I need to get ready because I have to film a few things that are time sensitive before I go out of town. So yeah, we're busy today. So we're gonna do this day in the life. This video is sponsored by Home Chef. They have an amazing deal going on right now that I will post about later on in this video, but thank you to them for sponsoring today's content. I already know what I'm cooking for dinner and it's gonna be Home Chef and it looks delicious. And so it begins again, you guys, packing up our house, the rental house we've been in. We just started packing up yesterday. We actually, if everything goes according to plan, should have the keys here in about less than 3 weeks. So getting ready, cleaning things out. It's amazing that even after only living in a place for 4 to 5 months, you find things to clean out and throw away. So we're kind of doing that as we pack, but I started yesterday. As you guys saw, I obviously took a shower and got myself ready for the day, and took a shower, had time to shave, obviously wash my hair. As a mom, I feel like everybody knows that there's different levels of showers. There's the 2-minute shower when you just have to shower yourself for sanitary reasons, and then there's a middle of the road shower, and then there's the shower. So I had a really good shower and I got myself ready so I could film. I am not even gonna lie, I've had a little bit of stress, which I think is to be expected, considering all the things we've got going on with moving and so many different things. My internet has been acting really crazy and I haven't been able to upload videos that I have done that need to be scheduled for certain days, and so that's been causing me a lot of stress. So I'm praying and hoping that this video that I'm working on currently right now at my desk uploads successfully, because if it doesn't, I'm gonna be even more stressed out because I don't know what the problem is. I've done as many hours of Google research as I can, and we're gonna be moving this month in March, and so it's really important to me that I get my videos all scheduled out because I'm not gonna have time. I've got about a week and then I'm not gonna have time for 3 weeks to film anything. So I'm trying to schedule them all out, and it's hard when your internet's not cooperating. But yeah, I'm really proud of the fact that I have never missed a week of uploading since I started my channel, and it has not been easy to do that. And some weeks I'm oh, I'm just not gonna get a video up, but then I just find a way to do it. So that's what I'm trying to do right now. I wish I could tell you my kids are downstairs working on some really educational activity, but they're just watching Netflix, and I am up here supervising this computer, hoping that it does what it needs to do. It's only 9:30 in the morning, so we're doing good on time. We're gonna meet up with our friends in a little bit and enjoy the sunshine, which is coming in behind me. That's what all that is. I have the window open. I love the sun. So while that video is uploading, I went ahead and got everything else in our suitcase packed. for my daughter's soccer trip this weekend, minus all of the cosmetic stuff that I need to use in the morning. I went ahead and threw in some more laundry, although I probably should really get that folded, but I'm thinking I'm not going to have time, so my husband just might have to do that for me this weekend. But yeah, got that done, so at least I feel good about that. Ahead and packed up our picnic lunch. Going to the park and eating lunch in the sunshine is literally one of the most simple things, but it really does make me happy. And then I'm bringing a gift for my friend who couldn't come on my girls' trip to Magnolia. The friend that I went with and we went ahead and got her a little something, so gonna give that to her. But I know you guys always like to see what's in the food bag. So we've got apples, Cliff Bars, Cheez-Its. The kids just have a sandwich, a turkey sandwich, and then I made myself a salad with some mixed greens, peppers, turkey, hard-boiled egg, and then I bring the dressing with me. And I think I grabbed an apple for myself too. Yeah, I did. So that's what's in the picnic bag. So we're gonna go ahead and load up here pretty soon because I do need to stop at the bank. Like I said, I have a few errands I need to do, and then we're gonna go to the park. So one of the things I love so much about Home Chef is that on busy days like today where I'm gonna be out with the kids all day, the last thing I want to do when I get home is have to come up with something for dinner. So I love having Home Chef for moments like these. It really, really saves me when it comes to not going out to eat or just making something super fast that's not super healthy and good quality ingredients. So like you guys saw, we're going to be having the cheeseburger flatbread tonight. I think my kids are really going to love this. What's not to like about it? So I went ahead and got all my ingredients out except the meat. The meat is in the refrigerator, just so it's all ready for me and I can throw it together. This meal says it's only going to take 20 to 30 minutes to prepare, so it's perfect for a day like this. Now, if you've ever been waiting for a sign to order yourself some Home Chef to simplify your life, now is the time. There is a limited time offer for getting $80 off of your first 4 orders. So they're gonna give you $20 off of each box. So instead of just getting the regular discount that I've had here on my channel for $30 off your first order, you can now get $80 off. So that's $20 off every single box. And you do not have to order them in, every 30-day increments. It's just maybe you get your first box because you know you're gonna need it and then you wait 3 months, you're still gonna get that $20 off the next box after that. So this link is only gonna be available for a limited amount of time, so make sure you click the link down below and use my code Ashlee80free, which will also be down there, to get your $80 off of your first 4 Home Chef boxes. Now this is for new customers, but you will not regret it. It saves me so much. So thank you so much, Home Chef. If you guys try it, let me know down below. But if you've been waiting, really take advantage of this offer. You guys saw we just stopped to get some paint samples for the kids' rooms for the new house. The painter uses Dunn Edwards, so that's kind of hard because I feel like they're not that popular online. Everything is like, I don't know, just other brands. So anyways, got a few samples. They charge for their samples too, $5. So it's really a bummer when you do not like the color. But anyways, went ahead and got those. They're eating their snack. I got myself an Americano with cream. There's no sweetener in that. Dutch Brothers is like new up by our house, and I don't know if it's just a West Coast thing, but like all of the drinks there are so sugary, even more so than like Starbucks, that I feel like all I can get there is just iced Americanos. So if you are a Dutch Brothers fan and you have a not sugary favorite, let me know because I just keep getting the same exact thing. So just to give you an idea, we're gonna do this navy color as an accent wall in my boys' room. It's kind of a bluish gray navy. The other walls will be gray, so I think that that will be a nice combination. And then this is going to be my oldest daughter's whole room. It's we're kind of in the shade here, but if I put it in the light, you can kind of see it a little bit better. And then my youngest daughter's room is going to be like this really soft pink color. So that way, you know, I feel like when you do colors like this for the whole room, lighter is better. And these are both colors that I don't think they'll outgrow, and they can be like redecorated as they get older, because painting is not my favorite thing. That's why we pay somebody to do it. But these are going to be their rooms right here in our new house. Here is our Home Chef cheeseburger flatbread, and I think it looks delicious with the arugula and the pickles on top. Came out so good. So kids are gonna enjoy this before we have to hustle off to sports practices. But how good does this look, you guys? What do you give it?
5 stars.
5 stars? Can you eat all that?